Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents on your iPhone. First, locate the document you wish to sign, whether it's in your Mail app or the Files app. Once open, tap the markup icon, which resembles a pen tip, usually found in the top right corner. Then, look for the plus sign icon and select it to bring up the signature option. This is the first step to digitally signing your important papers with ease. Now, let's create your digital signature. If you haven't done this before, select Add or Remove Signature. You'll then be prompted to draw your signature directly on the screen using your finger or an Apple Pencil. Take your time to make it look just right. Once you are satisfied with your signature, tap Done to save it. Your iPhone will store this signature for quick access whenever you need it. With your signature created, it will now appear on your document. You can easily drag this signature to the exact spot where it needs to be placed. If the size isn't quite right, simply use the blue dots located at each corner of the signature box. Dragging these dots allows you to resize your signature, making it larger or smaller to fit perfectly within the designated area on your document. Once your signature is perfectly placed and sized, tap Done in the top left corner of your screen to finalize the signing process. You'll then be presented with options to share or save your document. You can choose to reply all, new message, or save file to a location like your Files app. Your document is now officially signed and ready to be sent or securely stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.